Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a very easy and delicious tuna salad. I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Wash all the ingredients, then drain the tuna to remove all the liquid in the can and set it aside. Now to make the dressing, we're going to start by shredding the garlic clove. I'm using 3 garlic cloves, but feel free to use as much garlic as you want. You can use more or less depending on what you like. Now we're going to add in the minced garlic into the oil and also add in the minced parsley. Then season this with the juice of 1 lime and season with salt and pepper to taste. And if you want to add an extra layer of flavor, feel free to add crushed red pepper to taste. Stir well, then taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper or lime juice if you think it's necessary. And once you're happy with the flavor, just set it aside until you're ready to use it. Now we're going to prepare the salad. Here I have the corn. I cooked it in boiling water until it was tender. It took about 20 minutes or so. If you prefer, you can use a can of corn kernels instead to save some time. And now I'm just going to remove the corn kernels from the cup. Just grab a knife and remove all the kernels. Then place them in the same bowl with the salad. Now we're going to cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Or if they are kind of big, you can cut them in quarters. Then place them in the same bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Now we're going to peel the cucumber, and I'm going to leave some of the skin on the cucumber. It has a lot of fiber. It's good for you. So as long as it's really well washed, you can leave all the skin if you want to, or you can just peel it completely. It's up to you. So now we're going to cut the cucumber into chunks about the same size as the cherry tomatoes. Then place them in the same bowl with the rest of the salad. After that, now remove the skin from the avocado, then cut it into chunks about the same size as the cucumber, and then also place it in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Now in the same bowl, we're going to add in the garbanzo beans, and the garbanzo beans are already cooked. I cooked them in salted water for about an hour, or until they are tender. We will also add in the onion and the tuna. Remember, we already drained the tuna. There is no liquid in the cans. And you can add 2 or 3 cans of tuna. You want the salad to have plenty of tuna so it will be really filling. Now season this with salt and pepper, then toss together to combine all the ingredients. And then after that, now we're going to season with the dressing. And you can add as much of the dressing as you like. Then toss together once again so the salad will be really well seasoned. And then that's about it. We're going to top this with baked tortilla strips. This step is optional. You can skip it if you want to. Then garnish with more parsley, and that's it. As you can see, this salad is so easy to make, so delicious, really rich and flavorful. I really recommend it. Enjoy. To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!